Performance car time here at Unique, especially in classics. This is a beauty. You gotta love these. 2011 Cadillac CTS-V Coupe. Black diamond tri-coat. Beautiful color on this car. The dark wheels. Does have smoked side windows, so it's got that murdered out look, and it is nice looking. You can check out the still pictures. I have the windows up in the still pictures, so you can see that. And then, of course, watch your state and local laws as far as how dark your windows can be tinted. Underneath the hood, 6.2 liter supercharged V8 power, 556 horse. That is paired up with an automatic transmission with overdrive, of course. I'm going to let you see this front fascia. This particular car has about 59,000 miles on it. Previous owners had it for the last 6 to 7 years. Put less than 1,000 miles on it a year. Had a little fun in the summers with it. Just decided it was time to move on to something else. Now, this paint, you can't really do it justice in pictures and videos. You can see the metallic in it, but as I get up on top of it, it kind of washes out. It's a deep, dark charcoal, I guess, if you will, with the tri-coat. It is absolutely beautiful. There's a good idea how it looks right there, and you can see the reflection coming off it. So it's got a nice luster to it. If you want to check out those still pictures, so you can see this car from every angle, underside, interior, engine bay, still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on a link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course, you can always call us too, 507-386-1726. Go ahead and take a look up and down the passenger side of this car. Not full of nicks, dings, or scratches. There are a few spots in the front, like on the hood, where it has been touched up, where you might get a small rock chip, what have you. But overall, again, very nice shape. Interior is a leather suede combination. Shifter on the center console. Of course, magnetic ride control. This car will actually go from 0 to 60 in 4 seconds flat. Got the big Brembo brakes on it to stop. Center dump exhaust. Beautiful looking car. Look at the reviews on these when they came out. Perform a lot better than a lot of the European cars, and especially when you start looking at the price of these compared to the competition they're going up against. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Car also has a clean Carfax. No accidents indicated. Spent a lot of its life in Texas before coming north. Once again, still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Take a look up and down. Driver's side of this car, again, you can see the reflection all the way to the front door. If you can see past that Buick. But you get the idea how nice of paint and clear is on this car. All right, let's go ahead and pop this door. I'm going to check out the interior of this car. Now, I did say that you do have the suede inserts. So if you see something like this, sure my hand touched it when I was taking pictures earlier, that will be the nap or the pile of the fabric. So you do have lighter and dark depending on which way that nap is laying. Seat, as far as the leather, wearing nicely, and these are Recaro seats. I mean, you have a good quality seat. Yes, you're going to get the wrinkles where it will kind of naturally go to the grain of the leather, just like a nice expensive pair of shoes. Of course, power seats both sides, and those are, again, Recaro seats. All your equipment, of course, that you're going to have on a Cadillac as far as your power equipment, electronics, Bose stereo, steering wheel controls, driver's information center, dual climate control. List goes on and on. Heated and ventilated seats. Again, check out the reviews on these. We'll talk about a lot of the equipment, and do your homework. These are awesome, luxurious, as well as sporty and a highly performance car. This one has been left stock also as far as modifications. As you can tell, stereo does work. There's your exact miles. You would have the navigation right here, and you have the navigation screen. Of course, it will slide up, and then you would click on nav to pull that up. All right, dash, everything in nice shape. You can tell this car has been stored indoors. particular one also power sunroof or moonroof, which you prefer, and that will open all the way, vent open. Of course, XM satellite radio antenna. Sitting at idle, just a nice subtle little rumble. Nothing crazy, but you get under throttle in one of these, you're gonna have some fun, no doubt about that. Remember, 60 miles per hour, 0 to 60, 4 seconds flat. All right, I'm gonna pause this a second. I want to pop the hood. They have the engine compartments, not a lot to see, but I want to let you check it out.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
There's a supercharged 6.2 liter. Again, the way the coverings and stuff, fortunately not a lot to see under here like a lot of the classics that we do. And 556 horsepower, don't forget about that. And that is paired up with that automatic transmission with overdrive, AC blows cold. Power steering, power brakes, of course. Oops, sorry about the glare there. Let's check out the underside of the hood. Looking good. 2011 CTS-V Coupe. Clean Carfax. Give us a call. Phone number is 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate. You may call in or email.